Pausing every 10 seconds, rewinding, writing everything down. And still not remembering anything? Yeah, you're taking notes the hard way. Here's the mistake most students make. They treat recorded lectures like live classes, trying to write everything word for word. That's not studying, that's transcription. Step 1. Watch the lecture once, without taking notes. Step 2. Break the lecture into small chunks, 5 to 10 minutes each. After each chunk, pause and summarize in your own words. Step 3. Use active note-taking. Instead of copying, ask yourself, what's the main idea? Why does this matter? Can I explain this simply? Or, skip the manual work. With konch.ai, you can convert lectures into summaries, highlight key points instantly, turn content into smart notes, so you spend less time pausing and more time actually understanding. Stop writing everything, start learning better. That's how you study smart.